apertada, tada, apertada, 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 tada, apertada,
toda vez que eu broto na favela, já é garantido, eu vou pegar aquela perversa. Ativei seu pior lado e tu roçou na peça. Me apaixonei com meu umbigo na tua testa. Na sua testa, vata, 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 testa, vata, 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 testa, vata, 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 testa.
Hello friends, Eva here, welcome back to Manda's YouTube channel. Today we're unboxing two devices that are trying to solve the same problem from two different angles. The problem being staying connected without leaving on your phone. So these are the Even Reality's G2 smart glasses and the Air One smart ring that controls the glasses and adds wellness tracking. If this works the way it's supposed to, it's the kind of tech that you forget you are wearing. Quick context: Even Realities invited me into an early access experience for the new Even G2 and Air One, and I'm not new to this. I've been wearing the G1 for more than a year now. For this unboxing, I'm keeping the G1 box right here on the table, so just to do quick, honest parallels, what feels familiar and what feels upgraded. This video is just unboxing and fast impressions. I'm not reviewing performance yet. I'm going to wear the G2 and Air One in real life for a while to do work, calls, commuting, and then I'll come back with a full review and test in the coming days or weeks. Even Realities calls the vision Undisturbed Connections. The idea is simple: show you what matters when it matters without dragging you into the screen. And after a year with the G1, I get what that idea is compelling. For me, the best moments with the G1 were not when it tried to replace my phone, but to complete it. It was when it helped me stay present, quick glances, info, without breaking my focus. So in this unboxing, I'm going to keep coming back to one question: does the G2 feel like the same idea, but more wearable and more refined? Let's start with the G2. And because I have the G1 right here, this is the fast quick test. Does the packaging and the product feel like a step up? This is positioned as everyday display smart glasses, so the goal is to not look like a gadget. It should look and feel like premium eyewear fast. So the glasses, case and accessories. G1 already felt clean, but G2 is clearly aiming for premium optical product more than just tech accessory. My first impression: this feels like real glasses. I've been wearing the G1 for a year, like I said before, every single day, so comfort is not theoretical for me. It's the difference between cool tech and daily wear. The G2 are about 36 grams and the temples are slimmer, down to 1.2mm thickness in places. And if you actually want to wear something 10 hours a day, that really matters. On G1, my biggest comfort test was how they stack behind the ears and their weight in general. If G2 improves anything, I want it to be comfort and ease on the ears. So the temples, how they are stuck on the back on my head. Material wise, the G2 is made of titanium temples and a magnesium frame. That's the kind of spec you usually hear in luxury eyewear. And the G2 are rated IP65, so daily life and light rain should be absolutely totally fine. The headline feature is the optics. Even calls it holistic adaptive optics. The promise is the real world stays clear and the digital layer feels like it floats out in front of you without turning the lens into a mirrored sci-fi visor. The way I understand it, there is a tiny projector and the lens guides that light to your eyes, so text appear like it's out there in space, roughly a couple meters ahead. Battery claims is strong, about 2 days of regular use, and the case holds multiple charges. They mention up to 70 recharges in the case. They also talk about drop testing and lots of hinge cycles, which is the kind of stuff you only appreciate after at least a few weeks of daily use. Now, the air one. I love the idea here. Control the glasses without anyone noticing, but without being creepy, of course. Instead of reaching for the temples every time, you can tap or scroll on a ring. Even uses zirconia ceramic on the outside, very Swiss watch energy, I love it, and stainless steel inside. And for a ring, comfort is everything. If it doesn't disappear on your hand, you'll stop wearing it if it's too big or something like that. The Air one also adds wellness tracking into the ecosystem. Heart rate, skin temperature, movement, plus daily activity and sleep. I'm not going to make any medical claims here. This is about everyday tracking and trends. Battery life is quoted around 4 days and it's IP68, so it should handle water and dust easily. The bigger story is the ecosystem, the glasses, the phone and the ring working together. The phone does the heavy lifting, the glasses are the display, and the ring becomes this kind of discrete controller. On the glasses side, the experience is built around quick, glanceable moments, notifications, navigation, and the dashboard. Then there are bigger modes like subtitles and translation, a teleprompter, and the conversation summaries. If this lands, it's not about doing more, it's about doing the same things with less friction. Next, I'm going to set this up and answer the real questions. Does the display feel natural or distracting? Can I wear them all day comfortably? I've been wearing the G1 for the last year, so this should be an improvement. Number 3, is the ring control actually faster than touching the frames? The features like navigation, translation, and the teleprompter feel like tools, or are they just gimmicks? And the big one, does this actually help me stay present? So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Even Realities G2 and R1. If you want a full review after I've lived with them for a bit, subscribe and drop your questions below. What should I test first? Comfort, notification, translation, navigation, teleprompter, or the ring controls? My personal test is simple. If the tech disappears, it wins. If it demands attention, it loses. Thanks for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.